Bike trails are now turning into a new version, and this version consists of some new signs that you will see as shown. The way things are currently with the bike trails with just the mileposts is not enough, and the way the signs are isn't so good either. And so we have to be sure that things are working out. And here in these next few pictures we'll show you how it goes. The post on the left of the screen shows you how many hectometers of the bike trail in which you are traveling on. There's one for every 100 meters of the bike trail, and with these you can see how much exercise progress you're making as you travel down the bike trail on your bike or walking or rollerblading. Miles are too long to be able to make adequate progress, and the number on your exercise counter will be too small to be known as progress. Using big measuring units like miles only gives you small numbers even with long travel. Using mild measuring units like hectometers gives you big enough numbers to prove that you walked or biked or rollerbladed at large progress. This sign tells you which direction to go on the bike trail to go where you're going. This exit sign tells you how soon you exit to where you're going to stop for something is coming up so that you won't have to find out too late. This sign right here on the left is found at the exit of a bike trail to a street so that people will know that that's an exit and not another bike trail. The second sign tells people the name of the place they're exiting to so that they know where they are. The third sign tells people how far away they are from a certain point on the bike trail, the very same way the highway evaluation signs do. The sign on the right is the exit list, in which you see on the interstate or expressway as you're driving your car. Makes a lot of sense because then you know where you're going for a change. The sign on the left will be the new bike highway name sign so that people will know what they're on as they walk or ride their bike or jog or rollerblade along the trail. This is just like the drivers on the interstate and the federal highways and the state highways and the BIA roads do. These other signs are service signs that tell you what's coming up, just like you see on all of the highways too. The sign on the left is the new speed limit sign for the bike trails, even though it's not the kind of speed limit sign that you can find in the United States. It's all we know to do because there are no measuring units congruent to the hectometer like there is for the kilometer or kilometer. The second two signs indicate that there's construction coming up and you must plan out a detour. The last two objects are glow-in-the-dark cubes placed on the sides of the bike trail to indicate where you're going at night. The white one is for the paved trail, the yellow one is for an unpaved trail, the blue one is for the bike trail route, and the red one's for the danger zone. These work more effectively than conventional reflectors along the road, and they're 1/100th the price of runway lights when placed along the road and bike trails. This new speed limit sign on the left are the bike trails in the world. These signs are always needed to inform walkers and joggers and bikers and rollerbladers that there's construction on the bike trail so that they'll be ready to take an alternate route as told to do so. So there you have it. There's the new lecture that you see on the sign. And now enjoy your ride, and we'll be ready to hear some wonderful news from you when we get it.